miss you. And mawawala na ng komedyante sa grupo. Pero I'm sure may papalit din yan, may papadala si Lord. Anyway, thank you for the good times. Thank you for the fun. Thank you dun sa pagkain natin sa pantry na masaya. And I speak blessings wherever you will go and wherever God will lead you. Salamat, Sir Wilmer. I will miss you.
Good evening.
Good evening, brother.
Nakakamiss na malaman namin na hindi na ikaw ang head ng usher na team. Pero ganun pa man, nagpapasalamat kami mag-asawa sa pamumuno mo sa 11 a.m. usher team. Yung pagiging generous mo, bro, maraming salamat. Natatandaan ko pa yun. At papasalamat kami mag-asawa kasi hindi mo yung pagiging leader.
Hindi mo kami iniiwan.
Oo. At saka yung pagiging leader, hindi yung command na gusto mong mangyari, yung gusto mo, yung gano'n. Doon ko nakita yung pagiging isang leader, no, kung paano humawak ng tao. Nakakalungkot na hindi na ikaw yung mag-handle sa amin. Ganun pa man, alam namin na meron kang mission na tinatahak ngayon. Mamimiss ka namin, Brother Wilmer. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Binigay mong siguro aral sa amin, sa mga kabrother natin, kasister natin, na maraming mamimiss sa iyo.
Mamimiss ka namin.
Mamimiss ka namin.
Sobra.
Ganun pa man, bro, maraming salamat, and God bless you.
Ingat ka kung saan ka man naroon, lagi ka mag-ingat. Pag-ingatan mo yung sarili mo, yung family mo. God bless, brother.
This opportunity to appreciate you and say thank you sa lahat-lahat for your leadership. 10 a.m. service pa lang tayo, nakilala na kita, and I know how hardworking you are. Yung time na nag-step up ka, every time na may mga challenges, yung nilid mo kami sa lahat-lahat, and yung humor and yung laughter mo, we truly appreciate it sa mga event natin, sa fun day, Christmas party, lagi kang nadyan, all out support. So, yan, thank you so much. Now that you are called sa another chapter or another territory na expand mo to advance the kingdom of God, I pray everything na maging maayos on your new territory. Mamimiss ka namin, but I know this is the season na tinawag ka dyan ni Lord. So, we truly support.
Hi, Kuya Wilmer. Thank you so much for having you in Team C as our team leader, and your leadership and kindness have been an inspiration to us all. It's been an honor working with you, and thank you so much for that. I know you do great things in your next adventure. Again, sa buong Team C, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo, Kuya Mek. Thank you so much. We love you. See you pag nasa EN ka. Bye!